हर जगह से आर्गन है।
आराम से निकालिए क्या नाम है उसको
ये वाला क्लियर से ले लेना सिर्फ।
खास बात है इसमें।
हाँ
Smiling, yeah. If we go and start laughing, then smile. It's like this.
पीछे लगा पीछे लगाओ पीछे 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 लगाओ पीछे बीच में पास करो
एक I'm smiling. Just I was like, I know very. Hey, anyone wants to laugh?
अच्छे वाला हाँ बैठे पर आ जाएगा नहीं बहुत लेट है ₹2 बस इनका नहीं ले इधर आएगा
कितने आउट कर लेते सर कर दिया
Awareness presentation on Karnataka. Welcome to our Gandharaguri. Life in our land is but a euphoria. The road to paradise begins and ends at Karnataka. To us, every day is a celebration. It is Nityotsav, Nityotsav, Nityotsav.
Nityotsava, Nityotsava, Ninage Nityotsava, Nityotsava.
Karnataka provides you with a platform where you can play different roles. You can discover and rediscover yourself in memorable times. You can choose to be a historian, an adventurer, a naturalist, or a mariner. Karnataka is a national showcase for showcasing the advancement of information technology to the rest of the world. It is therefore we on the eternity of VVIP visiting our country. A land of unbelievable tranquility and splendor, which also has many a hidden wonder. Come, let me take you into a short trip into God's own paradise, Karnataka. Karnataka is beautiful not only to the sons and daughters. She captivates anyone who sets their eyes on her. The aura of our land is completely mesmerizing. Ladies, gentlemen, and my dear friends, we shall cover our presentation under the following heads: geography, history, social custom and cultural heritage, agriculture, handicrafts, economy and development, polity and administration, sports, places of interest, adventure activities, and eminent personalities. Geography. Old rocks, some of the oldest in the world, jutting out in odd shapes. A rain-soaked mountain range and coast. 100,000 lakes, streams and rivers with evocative names. Krishna, Tungabhadra and Kaveri. Our land provides an exciting panorama of wildlife in sylvan surroundings. Hey Hanuman, why don't you tell the audience something about our capital city?
Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka, the garden city of India, and the cyber capital of our country. King Kempe Gowda is the founder of this great city, Bangalore. He named it as Bangalore, the city of boiled beans. Isn't there more of Karnataka's geography than this, Pragya?
Of course there is. In the cascading richness of the Jog Falls, in the lofty heights of the Sahyadris, in the swaying elegance of the Sharavali River, lies the daily celebration. The geography of Karnataka is as awesome and colorful as the rainbow of the Sahyadris, as rhythmic as the flow of River Kaveri, as melodious as the ripples of the waves on the golden beaches of the Konkan, and as majestic as the mighty Jog Falls. A dance sequence depicting the ascent of River Sharavali.
Deep, 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 Karnataka is the 8th largest state of our country. It's generating about 6,000 tons. It has Maharashtra to its north, Andhra Pradesh to its east, Tamil Nadu and Kerala to its south, and flanked by the Arabian Sea and Goa to its west. Our language is Kannada, and our people are called Kannadigas. Rakya, wouldn't you like to enlighten the audience about the topography of our state?
The topography of our state primarily consists of 4 regions and has 600 to 900 meters above sea level. The 4 regions are the Northern Plateau. It comprises of 8 districts and the Krishna River basin, which has rich black cotton soil. The Central Plateau also spreads across 8 districts and has the Tungabhadra River basin. The Southern Plateau has evergreen forests and spreads across 8 districts. The valley of River Kaveri spins and forms undulating plains. The coastal belt is a long panorama of rich green fields and virgin beaches, with the blue-green ranges of the Sahyadris not too far to the east. We have a dance sequence depicting the liveliness of our coastal folk.
La 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 la. Karnataka is blessed with a moderate climate. Bangalore, Chikmagalur and Kurg are many hill stations. The fresh sandalwood smell spread in the ambience is salubrious and calming. The temperature varies between 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius in summer and 14 to 20 in the winter. Monsoon showers cascade down from June to October and is quite heavy in the southern and coastal regions. Mineral resources, a woman's best friend, gold, was found in abundance in Kolar gold fields. But now, Hatti mines produce most of our country's indigenous gold. Besides gold, a large number of minerals have their home in our soil. They are asbestos, bauxite, chromite, dolomite, iron ore, limestone, and manganese. In addition, Karnataka is the largest exporter of granite. Rivers. Water is the source of all life and the mother of all creation. Karnataka accounts for 6% of the surface water of our country, with 7 river basins. The major rivers are Krishna, Tungabhadra, Kaveri, and Sharavati. Kaveri is the divine river of Karnataka, the source of all life and prosperity.
Bygone age. The name Karnataka means Karunadi, literally lofty and noble. A land known for its stone architecture. Even 800 years ago, our state was at the cutting edge of technology. We could see our sculptors go tap, tap, tap with their hammer and chisel. A fine example of sculptors is the statue of Darpana Sundari, the beauty looking into the mirror. Another example is the statue of Lord Bahubali, the tallest monolithic statue in the world. Time alone stands as a testimony for the many great dynasties that have ruled us. The legendary Kishkinda, the kingdom of Vali and Sugriva, is believed to have had Hampi as its capital. Recorded history has been noted since the time of the Nanda dynasty of the 3rd century. Ganga Kadambas, Chalukya Hoysalas, Pulakeshi Vikrama, and Rani Chennamma have ruled successively for several years. He created a niche for himself by defeating the mighty Harshvardhana on the banks of river Narmada.
India is a beautiful land of diversity and culture, but the gem of India is Karnataka. No land is blessed with as much as bounty and charm as Karnataka. Karnataka, you are wonderful.
We would definitely not be frightened and recall the writings of the famous poet Sri Vijaya, who was at the court of King Rupatunga. Women have played a tremendous role in the history of our land. The undying zeal of Kittur Rani Chennamma, who resisted the British in 1824 and even before the First War of Independence in 1857, stands as a befitting illustration to prove the valor hidden in our women.
Rani Chennamma ನೀವು ನಮಗೆ ಕಪ್ಪವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
ಕಪ್ಪ 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 ನಿಮಗೇಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕಪ್ಪ? ನೀವೇನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಬಿತ್ತಿದೆ ಬೆಳೆದಿದೆ, ನೀವೇನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮಂದಿರೆ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರೇ.
Have to bastard.
How should we pay tax? ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂ ಲಗನ್. ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಪ್ಪ ಎಂದು ಬಂದರೆ ಈ ನಾಡಿನಿಂದಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ದೇಶದಿಂದಲೇ ಹೊರಟಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಜೈ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ.
Insult! Tipu Sultan, the son of Hyder Ali and the tiger of Mysore, shook the very roots of British Empire in India. This ignited the struggle for independence in India. The stories of valor and sacrifice are many, and it will take aeons to pass through. Mysore state was renamed as Karnataka in 1973. Onaki Obawa also flashes in the names of great women of Karnataka. She put a great fight against the soldiers of Hyder Ali and is thereby fondly remembered as Obawa. Nostalgia adds on to the pride we already possess about our ancestors. Now on to the heroic action of Obawa.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ವೀರನ ಮಡಿಯ ಕಂಡು ಭೂಮಿಯ ವೀರ ನಾರಿಯ ಚರಿತೆಯ ನಾನು ಹಾಡುವೆ. ತೆವಳು ತೆವಳು ತಾವಂದಿಹ ಮೈಲಿ ಒನಕೆಯ ಬೀಸಿ ಕೊಂದಳು ನಾರಿ. ಸತ್ತವರನ್ನು ಎಳೆದು ಹಾಕುತ್ತ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಂತಳು ಹಲ್ಲು ಬದಲುತ್ತ. ಅಮರನಾದಳು ಒಬ್ಬವ ದುರ್ಗವು ಮರೆಯದ ಒಬ್ಬವ.
And cultural heritage. Buddhism and Jainism have played great roles in forming the cultural background of Karnataka. Besides this, great reformers such as Basveshwara, Alamaprabhu, Sarvagna, Dasimaya and Akka Mahadevi have also contributed immensely. Their literary works are called as vachanas.
ಉಳ್ಳವರು ಶಿವಾಲಯ ಮಾಡುವರು, ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಬಡವನಯ್ಯ. ಎನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇ ಕಂಬ ದೇಹವೇ ದೇಗುಲ, ಶಿರವೇ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಲಶವಯ್ಯ, ಶಿರವೇ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಲಶವಯ್ಯ, ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ.
Demography. Summing up all people into one in our state is a Herculean task. A Hindu majority along with Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Parsis and Jains is found in Karnataka. The tribal population extends from Badagas, Bilavas, Bunts, Todas, Lambanis, Kaudavas, Karuchas, Kadukurbas, Hasalas, Malays and Voltas. We all have been living together for centuries in harmony. Even the large-scale social problems around the land could not jeopardize our secularity. Lingua franca. To us, not even honey is sweeter than river Kaveri, and music more melodious than Kannada. Tulu in Dakshina Kannada, Kodava in Coorg are spoken extensively. Besides this, Hindi, Malayalam, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil and Urdu are also spoken. ಎಲೆಗಳು ನೂರಾರು ಅವಗಾರಗಳು ನೂರಾರು ಎಲೆಗಳ ಬಣ್ಣ ಒಂದೇ ಹಸಿರು ಜಾತಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಅವುಗಳ ತಂದೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದೇ ಸಾಗೋಣ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸಾಗೋಣ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಸೇರಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿ comparatively high. The male literacy rate is 46% and the female literacy rate is 40%. The average literacy rate in Karnataka is 43%. Hi Cassie, where are you coming from? And education of Karnataka is also comparatively high. Actually, I had expected my friend Cassie to mention. Hi Cassie!
Hi everyone.
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the
Really?
Do you know our state is the home of a number of educational institutions? We have 16 universities, 73 technical colleges, 181 polytechnics, 19 medical colleges, and 41 dental colleges.
Really? I think I have to go and enlighten my ignorant brains more about this, while you continue to tell the audience more about our educational institutions.
The Indian Institute of Management is one among the top B schools of India, and the Indian Institute of Science, the age-old institute at Bangalore, has a wonderful lush green campus and is known for its master degree courses, especially in PhD. The National Law School of India University, the best law school in India, is also situated at Bangalore. Literature. The epics of Sri Kaviraja Marga by Sri Vijaya and Vikramarjuna Vijaya by Pampa and the seven Jnanapita awarded to our state itself illustrates the cultural wealth of our state. National Laureate Sri K.V. Puttappa, Dr. Dara Bendre, Masti Venkatesh Iyengar, Professor V.K. Gokak, Dr. Anand Murthy and Dr. Girish Karnad are all gems who make us immensely proud. The Malgudi Days by R.K. Narayan and the Ratna Patas by Rajaratnam are the essence we possess. Music. No state can boast of a legacy in both Carnatic and Hindustani music. The melodious songs of the yesteryears by Kanakadasa, Purandaradasa and Vadi Raja are all enjoyed even to this day. Sarvashri Veene Subarna, Veene Sheshana, Dore Swami Iyengar and Pittal Chaudhaya are all famous musical exponents. The golden voices of Sarvashri Mallikarjuna Mansur, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Kumara Gandharva and Gangubai Mangal all hail from our state.
Adisi Dade Shode Jaganoda
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा।
Kannada cinema have won many national level awards and have been universally appreciated for the music. Late Gurudat, Dr. Rajkumar, Dr. Girish Karnad, Mr. Anand Nag and late Shankar Nag are the products of Kannada cinema. Bollywood actresses Aishwarya Rai, Tana Datta and Shilpa Shetty are also the daughters of our soil. Festivals. A number of festivals haunt the scenario round the year. Yugadi, Makara Sankranti, Dasara, Kadalekai Parshi, Kambala, Karnataka Rajyotsava, Hoysala Festival and the famous Karga Festival are celebrated. Come, let us have a glimpse of the famous Karga Festival of Bangalore. Mahashivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid Milad, Christmas and New Year are also celebrated. Dasara is the most famous festival celebrated in Karnataka as shown on the stage.
Mysuru Dasara,
has captured the palate of people all over the world. Rice, ragi and jowar are our staple diets. Wheat is also a part of our diet. Bisibelebath, Uppittu, Dharwad Peda, Mysore Pak, Holige, Halobbattu, Pandikari and Tambuttu, etc. are all our famous delicacies. The famous Kamal and the Udupi chain of restaurants spread all over Karnataka are famous for the mouth-watering vegetarian foods which they cater for the masses. Attire. The basic attire for men is dhoti and jubba. Those from northeast wear khandi caps and those from north wear peta. Kodavas, who form a major part in our demography, have a distinct style of dressing that is definitely an eye-catcher.
पुत्तरी मोदन
Karnataka has a large repertoire of dances. Some of the most famous dances are Dollu Kunita, Suggi Kunita and Kamsale. Bharatnatyam, of course, is the evergreen dances of Karnataka. Tajam Tari Yakshagana is the most fascinating dance of Karnataka. In this art form, dance, music, dialogue and decor are harmoniously blended. No state can brag about such a unique form of dance. Agriculture. Karnataka is predominantly a rural and an agrarian. 76% living in rural areas and 71% living in urban areas are all engaged in agriculture. Rice is the king of crops, which is grown and irrigated in the eastern plateau region. About 60% of India's coffee comes from Karnataka. Our cash crops are chili, cardamom, pepper, coconut, cashew nuts, tobacco and tomato. Handicrafts. We can not only find our past glory in stone carvings, but we can also acquire them through miniature carvings in stone and sandwood. The sandwood carvings with a rich fragrance can even recuperate a diseased person. That is a speciality of only Karnataka. The dogs of Channapatna, the Bidriware and Clevere are all very famous. Silk in the form of Mysore silk, chiffons and other forms are found in Karnataka. Astonishingly beautiful Kannada ladies draped in silk saris are found all over the state. Silk adds to that charismatic charm that is definitely a feast to the eyes.
16,513 million units annually. Bangalore is one of the top 10 IT hotspots of the world. We have a number of software companies, BPOs, call centers, software parks, and research and development centers. We are also the IT capital of the whole of South Asia. In the IT world, there are about 1,150 software expert companies. Karnataka is the host of well-qualified and experienced software professionals whose services are in demand all over the world. We also have around 1,20,000 IT professionals only in Bangalore, Karnataka. Software experts from Karnataka, that's in Bangalore, is only from Bangalore amounts to rupees 1,235 million for the annual year 2002-2003. This knowledge capital of India is emerging as a bio capital and an important trade and technology destination for all global investors. Some of the most prominent multinational companies in the IT landscape of Karnataka are Infosys, Wipro, Intel, IBM, SAP, SES, Dell, Motorola, HP, TCS, Oracle, Tektronix, and Accenture. Space technology. In terms of satellite technology, ours is the only state which uses remote sensing technology for the study of minerals, water, and soil in the most scientific way. It also uses remote sensing technology for the study of transportation system. GSLV, the most program launched under the Indian Space Program. It is now available for launching satellites of up to 2 tons into geosynchronous transfer orbit. Do you know that the master control facility for the whole of South Asia is located at Hassan in Karnataka? In fact, the national headquarters of ISRO is also located at Bangalore. Hence, Karnataka has achieved a name and fame in the space field as well. Hi Suchita.
Hi Hanuman.
There you are. I have to leave for an important seminar at ISRO headquarters Bangalore. Would you continue to guide the audience?
My pleasure, Hanuman.
Thank you.
Let's speak with the industrial world of Karnataka. A pioneer whom one cannot forget is Bhatwal awardee, Sri Sir Vishwesvaraya, an early crusader for industrialization. He quoted the famous words, industrialize or perish.
ದಿವಾನರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಏಳಿಗೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲು ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಉಪಾಯವನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿ.
ಮಹಾರಾಜರೇ, ನನ್ನ ವಿಚಾರವೇನೆಂದರೆ ಶಿವನ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ಜಲಪಾತದಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ತನ್ನು ಉತ್ಪಾದಿಸಿ ಹಟ್ಟಿ ಚಿನ್ನದ ಗಡಿಯನ್ನು ಉನ್ನತಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾವೇರಿ ನದಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಲಾಗಿ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನ ನೀರಾವರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸುವುದೇ ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ.
ದಿವಾನರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಪಾಯ ಯೋಜನೆ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಒಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನಿ.
ತಮ್ಮ ಇಚ್ಛೆಯಂತೆ ಆಗಲಿ.
Important public sector units are Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, National Aeronautics Limited, Bharat Electrical Limited, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, Bharat Earth Movers Limited, Indian Telephone Industries, Hindustan Machine Tools, and Indian Space Research Organization. The light combat aircraft is manufactured by HAL Bangalore. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee named it Tejas. The advanced light helicopter, also known as Dhruv, is also manufactured by HAL Bangalore. Transport. Karnataka is well connected to all parts of the country. Road. National highways, NH4, NH13, NH17 connects us to all major cities in India. Our state has 1,15,187 kilometers of motorable roads. The hanging bridge is only in the complete South India, it's only in our home's capital, Bangalore. Rail. There exist 3,029 kilometers of rail in the state. The prestigious Konkan Railways passes the coastal plains. Air. The domestic airports are in Bangalore, Mangalore and Belgaum.
Recently, Mysore coupling has been set up in the air map of India. A dream informs an airport at Devanahalli, Bangalore International Airport. When complete, it will be India's first modern airport and privately operated one. See, we have 330 kilometers of coastline with two major ports at Karwar and Mangalore. India's new naval base and Asia's largest project, Project Seabird, is now being set up at Karwar. For any state's progress, we need an efficient administrative system. Isn't it, Prakya?
Of course, Sucheta. Do you know that the great King Krishnadevaraya of the Vijayanagar Empire had established an efficient administrative system which we embark upon? Our state also has a large number of 27 districts, 175 taluks, 179 towns, and legislative assembly of 224 members, and legislative council of 75 members. Our Honorable Governor Shri T.N. Chaturvedi and our Honorable Chief Minister Shri S.M. Krishna. Sports. Our state maintains a very high profile in sports. The Santosh Trophy for football is won by us twice, and the Ranji Trophy for cricket is won by us 6 times. 7 players from the Indian cricket team hail from our state, Karnataka. Mahesh Bhupat, Prakash Padukone, Mahesh Bhupati and Nisha Millet also hail from our state. Sandeep Michael, Jude Phillips, Ashish Balal, Aparna Popat, Pankaj Advani, Ashwini Nachappa, Shika Tandon and Rohan Bopanya also hail from our state, Karnataka. Places of interest. Being tagged the theatre of inspiration, inspiring it is with its rich culture and plethora of nature's blessings. From the hustle and bustle of the Silicon Valley to magnificent temples, name them and you can find them here in our land, Karnataka. Shravana Balagola, Vidhan Sauda, Kabul Park, Lal Bagh, Lalit Mahal, Vrindavan Gardens, Mysore Palace, Chamundeshwari and Mahishasura can be found in our land, Karnataka. The Chitradurga Fort, Hampi, Badami and Golgubas with its open-air museum are crowd pullers. The holy cities of Sringeri, Dharmasthala, Udupi, Gokarna and Koluru are very famous. Besides this, the Chennakeshwara temple of Somnathpura and its sculptures are definitely a feast to the eyes. The other places of interest are Bandipur, Nagarwali and Rangasettu. Bandipur is famous for its tigers and elephants, while Rangasettu is famous for its bird sanctuary. The Bandarghata National Park in Bangalore is famous for its tigers. The Coorg region with its scenery is breathtaking, and a glimpse of Talakaveri makes your day. Adventure activities. A sense of romance and adventure fills our state in Karnataka. It is a kaleidoscope of adventures waiting to be discovered. Activities like trekking, rock climbing, river expeditions, sea expeditions, canoeing, parasailing, paragliding, jumping, gliding, hang gliding, micro-light flying, and bungee jumping can be experienced in our state, Karnataka. Eminent personalities. A large number of people have contributed immensely to the growth and development of our state and made us immensely proud. Among those, from the politicians we have, late Shri B.D. Jatti, late Shri S. Nijalingappa, late Shri Devraj S. and late Shri T.A. Pai. Mr. Ramakrishna Hegde, Deve Gowda, George Fernandez, Srimati Margaret Alva and Vijay Mallya also hail from our state, Karnataka. Among those from the armed forces, we have Field Marshal Karyappa, General Timaya, General Divur and Admiral Dawson. And of course, how can we forget our very own Director General, Lieutenant General entrepreneurs, we have Dr. Narayan Murthy, Mr. Azim Premji, Dr. R.K. Lakshman, Nandan Kirani, R.K. Narayan, Sudha Murthy, P.V. Sethi, and Mohammad Anis. Those from the Bollywood industry, we have Lara Datta, Kirti Reddy, Vasundhara Das, Aishwarya Rai, and Nafisa Joseph. Each, through their individual achievements, have brought laurels to our state and made us dangerously proud.
Glorious Western Karnataka, a land beyond comparison, a land of art and architecture, a land built by great Vidyaranya, the gurus of Hakka Bukka, and the harbingers of peace and prosperity.
Our state of mesmerizing contrast, the charisma extended to a modern blending harmoniously to the old. A people of success, prosperity, fame is nothing but an account of our